Okay, simplify the following complex numbers in the Cartesian form x plus iy. So very simply, what we need to do is we look at the multiplication of two complex numbers. Here, we can just act upon them as though we are doing it like algebraic operations. So 3 minus 8i, right? So this is 3 minus 8i multiply with 5 plus 7i, right? Okay, or we can simply multiply them as though we do the FOIL method, right? And that will give you 3 multiplied with 5 will give you 15. 3 multiplied with 7 I give you 21i minus 40i, right? Minus 40i and minus 8i multiplied 7i, so you have actually negative 56i squared. Now you recall that in your lecture you know that I squared is defined as negative 1, so with that we can say this is 15 plus 21i minus 40i plus 56. Since I squared is negative 1, so negative 1, you get positive 6. And with that, simplify your complex number into the real and imaginary part. You will just end up with 56 plus 15. 56 plus 15 will give you 71, right? And 21i minus 40i, that will give you minus 19i. Okay, this is for part A. Okay, part B, very quickly, what do we need to do? Remember that when we deal with the quotient or the division of two complex numbers, what we do is just like how we deal with surds, we multiply by the conjugate. Because when we multiply by the conjugate, we can sort of make the denominator a real number. Okay, so here recall that with the algebraic golden rule that is like a minus b, a plus b equals to a square minus b square. Okay, so 7 plus 5i, okay, 4 minus 3i. What we do is we multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. Why do we do this? Because by multiplying with the conjugate, you actually obtain a real number for your denominator. Okay, so similarly at the top, you do your first out in last method, right? Your FOIL method, you're going to get 7 times 4, you will get 28. 7 times 3, 21i plus 20i. Okay, and 5i and 3i, you're just going to get 15i squared. 15i squared, since I squared is negative 1, right? So it's just going to be minus 15, right? And you do the same for denominator. The denominator is actually just a minus b, a plus b. So you think about it, 4 minus 3i, right? Multiplied by 4 plus 3i. Okay, it really looks like the algebraic identity. This is a minus b, right? And this is a plus b. So this will just give you a squared minus b squared. What is a squared minus b squared? This will just be like 4 square minus 3i square. Alright, what is 3i square? You can see that this is the same as 4 square minus 9i square, which is just 4 square plus 9. Okay, so in general this is just a square minus b square, and the denominator will just be 4 square plus 9, which is 16 plus 9. Okay, and that will give you finally to be 28 minus 15, so you have 13 plus 41i over 25. And if I want it to be in this form, remember we want it to be in the x plus iy form, so finally we express our answer. This will be 13 over 25 plus 41 over 25i.